They may look like fields of sunshine, but inside every sunflower lies liquid gold, one of the world's most valuable and versatile oils. From vast golden farms to high-tech factories, these cheerful blooms go through an incredible transformation. In just a few steps, nature's beauty becomes the golden oil that fills kitchens around the globe. This is the untold story.
From the endless fields where golden sunflowers turn their faces toward the blazing summer sun to the shimmering bottles of oil that line supermarket shelves around the world lies a fascinating story of transformation. The journey of how a simple, radiant flower becomes one of humanity's most essential cooking oils. Across vast landscapes in Ukraine, Russia, Argentina, Turkey, and the United States, sunflowers stretch across the horizon like an ocean of yellow, their bright petals waving gently in the wind. But beneath their beauty lies something far more valuable. The seeds hidden within these blooms hold one of the most versatile natural oils ever discovered. Sunflower oil has become a cornerstone of global cuisine, prized for its light texture, mild flavor, and health benefits that make it a favorite among chefs and households alike. Turning these flowers into liquid gold is no simple task. It's a meticulous process that combines nature's timing, advanced technology, and generations of agricultural knowledge. The journey begins in late summer or early autumn, when the sunflowers have reached maturity. Farmers watch the fields carefully, waiting for the telltale signs that the plants are ready for harvest. The heavy heads droop toward the ground, the backs of the flowers fade to brown, and the petals dry and fall away, revealing dense clusters of oil-rich seeds. Timing is critical. Harvesting too early can reduce oil yield, while waiting too long risks the seeds drying out or falling to the ground. Skilled farmers often inspect the crops by hand, checking the moisture and firmness of the seeds to ensure the perfect moment to begin the harvest. When that time comes, the quiet beauty of the fields gives way to the hum of powerful machinery. Massive harvesters roll through the rows of sunflowers, cutting and collecting the heads with precision. Fitted with specialized headers, these machines separate the seeds from the flowers using rotating drums that shake and filter out debris while minimizing damage to the seeds. The clean seeds are gathered into large onboard storage tanks as the machines move swiftly through the fields, ensuring minimal exposure to the elements. Once full, the harvesters empty their loads into trucks that carry the fresh seeds to nearby processing plants where the next stage of transformation begins. At the plant, the first step is cleaning. The seeds pass through vibrating sieves and air blowers that remove dust, dirt, small stones, and fragments of plant material. Only the cleanest, most intact seeds move forward. They are then dried carefully in large ovens where controlled warm air reduces their moisture content to around 6 to 10%, an essential step to prevent spoilage and ensure optimal oil extraction. When properly dried, the seeds are fed into powerful mechanical presses that apply immense pressure to crush them, releasing the precious oil within. The initial product, known as crude oil, is thick and cloudy, containing impurities, seed particles, and natural residues. To achieve the golden clarity consumers expect, the oil undergoes multiple stages of filtration and refining. In the filtration stage, solids are removed using fine mesh filters and centrifugal separators, while refining involves heating and treating the oil to eliminate unwanted odors, flavors, and colors. The result is a pure, light, golden oil ready for packaging. Modern sunflower oil factories are remarkable examples of industrial efficiency. Many facilities even produce their own plastic bottles on site using PET molding machines. By manufacturing bottles in-house, producers reduce costs, eliminate the need for external transport, and maintain a consistent supply chain. Once molded and cooled, the bottles move along automated conveyor systems toward the filling stations, where high-speed machines measure and fill each bottle with precise accuracy. Advanced sensors and computer systems ensure every bottle receives the exact amount of oil, avoiding waste or spillage. After filling, the bottles move seamlessly to capping units, where they are sealed tightly to prevent leaks and contamination. Immediately afterward, labeling machines apply brand labels with perfect alignment, ensuring each product looks clean, professional, and uniform. Quality control doesn't end there. Every filled and labeled bottle passes through a series of inspections. Visual scanners check for clarity and fill level, while random samples are manually tested for purity, consistency, and package integrity. Only bottles that meet strict standards move forward. The approved products are then grouped together by automated arms that arrange them into cardboard boxes or wrap them in clear plastic film for easier transportation. Palletizing robots stack these packages neatly onto wooden pallets, ready to be stored in warehouses or shipped across the world. From there, the journey continues to supermarkets, restaurants, and kitchens, where the golden oil plays a vital role in cooking, baking, and flavoring food. What makes sunflower oil special is its balance of practicality and health benefits. Its mild flavor allows the natural taste of food to shine through, making it a go-to choice for frying, sautéing, baking, and salad dressings. Its high smoke point makes it ideal for deep frying, while its low saturated fat content and abundance of vitamin E make it one of the healthier oils available. Vitamin E, a natural antioxidant, helps protect body cells from damage and support skin health. Many nutritionists recommend sunflower oil as a heart-friendly option because it contains healthy unsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol. But the benefits of sunflower oil extend far beyond the kitchen. It's also a common ingredient in skincare and cosmetic products due to its moisturizing and protective qualities. The natural antioxidants and vitamin E in the oil make it excellent for hydrating skin, reducing inflammation, and maintaining softness without clogging pores. Many lotions, creams, soaps, and even baby products use sunflower oil as a gentle, nourishing base. The creation of this versatile oil is a testament to human ingenuity and respect for nature's design. Every stage, from seed selection to harvesting, processing, and packaging, requires expertise and coordination. Farmers rely on their deep understanding of the land and the weather to maximize yield. Engineers design machines capable of handling millions of seeds efficiently. Scientists continuously research new sunflower varieties that can thrive in changing climates, resist disease, and produce higher quality oil. Together, they form an ecosystem of knowledge and innovation that sustains one of the world's most important agricultural industries.
In major sunflower-producing countries like Ukraine and Russia, the crop is an economic cornerstone, supporting rural livelihoods and contributing to global food supply chains. During harvest seasons, processing plants run around the clock, with thousands of workers ensuring that every seed is used to its full potential. The logistics are immense, from managing transportation networks to coordinating international exports. Yet behind all this industrial activity lies a deep connection to nature. Sunflowers themselves are marvels of biology. Their ability to track the sun, a behavior known as heliotropism, symbolizes their dependence on light and energy, which they convert into the oil that fuels so many aspects of human life. This energy transformation is poetic. Sunlight becomes oil, oil becomes nourishment, and nourishment sustains life. The cycle reflects harmony between nature's processes and human technology. Modern sunflower oil production